service. So good to have you. We've missed you. Come on in. Please sanitize your hands first and enjoy the service.
It's that waking up at noon at the window with the view, doing whatever we choose on the roof, singing nothing gonna hold me back. Words, I'ma spend it all on laughter. Hey, it's that 82 degrees, got the water to my knees. I be singing with the trees.
I'm just going to take the temperature and ask you a couple questions. Perfect. Have you been in contact with anybody who has tested positive for COVID?
Nope.
And are you showing any symptoms of COVID?
No.
That's perfect. You can head on through.
Thank you.
Welcome back! We're so excited to have you. Please go ahead and find a seat. So we want to see you back at church.
We're moving to 100 people from this Sunday, so there's plenty of space for all of you.
So sign up every week.
See you there.